Today we're making a Mississippi pot roast sandwich.
And this sandwich is so delicious. Our kids definitely gave it a 10 out of 10.
First, we prep some garlic cloves and cut up some onions lengthwise.
Now we used a 3-pound chuck roast with great marbling. And once seasoned with salt and pepper, we seared it in our cast iron skillet, making sure to get all the sides and edges.
We placed it in our crock pot on top of the garlic and onions we had already prepared.
We added a package of ranch dressing and au jus gravy mix. We also added some beef broth and some pepperoncini peppers in their juices. This main ingredient infuses the roast with a tangy and slightly spicy flavor.
Now all the hard work's done, you just set that crock pot to low and cook it until it becomes probe tender. For us, it took about 6 hours. It's anywhere from 6 to 8 hours to get it just where you want.
This chuck roast would go great over some mashed potatoes or rice, but today we're placing it into a toasted hoagie with mozzarella cheese. It's a simple Southern-inspired classic that everyone will love.
Check out the full recipe below or on our food blog at cookingwithrobinsons.com.